there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions while keeping it fun. Today, we have a face-off between two heavyweights from Samsung, the Galaxy S20 FE 5G and the Galaxy S22. On my left, we have the S20 FE 5G, also known as Fan Edition. And on my right, we have the newer, shinier, and more expensive Galaxy S22. Let's dive right into the nitty-gritty and see which one deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, the price. The S20 FE 5G is going for just $169. That's less than what I spent on coffee last month. On the other hand, the Galaxy S22 is a whopping $379. For that price, it better come with a personal assistant named Bixby, who will do my laundry and cook my meals. Reviewers love the S20 FE 5G for its affordability and value, especially given the flagship features it offers. The S22, while more expensive, is praised for its cutting-edge technology and overall performance. Moving on to the display, the S20 FE 5G rocks a 6.5-inch FHD plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity O display. Fancy, right? It's like having a mini IMAX screen in your pocket. But wait, the S22 steps in with a slightly smaller 6.1-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. So if you're into pocket cinemas, the S20 FE 5G is your buddy. However, reviewers rave about the S22's display quality, noting its vibrant colors and sharpness, making it a tough contender despite the smaller size. Now, let's talk brains. The S20 FE 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and 6 GB of RAM. It's got enough power to handle your daily Instagram scrolling and cat video binging. But the S22 is like the bodybuilder of smartphones with its octa-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a Adreno 730 GPU. This thing could probably run NASA's operations. Reviewers appreciate the S20 FE 5G for its solid performance, but they are blown away by the S22's powerhouse capabilities, making it a favorite among tech enthusiasts. Say cheese. Camera time. The S20 FE 5G has a triple rear camera setup with 12 megapixels wide, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and 8 megapixels telephoto lenses, plus a 32 megapixels front camera for those crispy selfies. But the S22 is here to steal the show with a 50MP camera. That's right, 50MP. You could probably zoom in and see what your neighbor's cooking for dinner. And the LED flash? It's like having your own paparazzi. Reviewers are generally satisfied with the S20 FE 5G's camera, but they can't stop gushing about the S22's advanced camera capabilities and the incredible detail it captures. Battery life, the eternal struggle. The S20 FE 5G sports a 4,500 mAh battery, which is pretty solid. You can binge watch an entire season of Stranger Things and still have juice left. The S22, though, doesn't disclose its battery size in our comparison. Let's hope it's not powered by AAA batteries. Reviewers have mixed feelings about the S22's battery life, with some praising it and others wishing for more. On the other hand, the S20 FE 5G is generally well received for its reliable battery performance. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G is praised by reviewers for its affordability, solid performance, and reliable battery life, making it a great value option. The Samsung Galaxy S22, while more expensive, is lauded for its premium features, powerful performance, and exceptional camera quality, making it a top choice for those willing to invest in the latest technology. So there you have it, folks. The S20 FE 5G is your budget-friendly, feature-packed buddy, while the S22 is the high-end, power-packed beast. Whether you want to save some bucks or splurge on the latest tech, the choice is yours. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which phone you think wins this battle. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.